Hi, I'm Marielis with WTI, and I'm so excited to show you these STABILO fine liners. They are so pretty. It has a super fine tip, perfect for decorating and adding details to your notes.
Others fine liners, being thin, feel very bad when writing, as we were going to break the tip or that the ink wouldn't come out well. But these are very smooth and you don't have to make an effort to write.
I love stationery things, and the colors are so beautiful. They are not basic colors, and they combine very well. It is so satisfying to see all together. It's great that none of them look alike, because in a package like this, it is good to have different colors. Another thing that I love is that the ink lasts a long time, months, even years. I personally like to use them to make titles and bright keywords in the text. Since they are thin, they fit perfectly in the pencil case and don't take up much space. I really like it, and I'm sure you will too. And that's my point of view.